cleaning worker was never supposed to save the life of one of the richest women in the city. Yet on one ordinary morning, while everyone else admired her success, a single father carrying nothing but a mop and a bucket noticed something no doctor, assistant, or executive had seen. What he uncovered would change two lives forever, proving that sometimes the greatest heroes wear work boots instead of expensive suits. Before we begin, if you believe kindness deserves a second chance and that good hearts can change lives, please take a moment to like this video, leave a comment telling us where you're watching from, share this story with someone who needs hope today, and subscribe to Kindness Paradise for more emotional stories that remind us humanity still exists. Every morning before sunrise, Rowan Mercer quietly entered the towering headquarters of one of the country's largest technology companies. While executives rushed into meetings and investors praised the brilliant CEO, Rowan pushed his cleaning cart through silent hallways, polishing glass doors and empty conference rooms before the workday officially began. Few people even knew his name. To them, he was simply the janitor. But every evening, after finishing exhausting shifts, Rowan hurried home to his 8-year-old daughter, Hazel, whose cheerful smile erased the pain left by years of hardship after losing her mother to a sudden illness. Every dollar Rowan earned was carefully stretched to pay rent, school supplies, and groceries. Luxury was something he only saw while cleaning executive offices. The company's CEO, Seraphina Vale, was admired across the business world. Magazine covers celebrated her intelligence, determination, and incredible success. She had transformed a struggling company into an international powerhouse before reaching 40. Employees respected her discipline, but few truly knew her. She arrived early, worked late, rarely smiled, and seemed almost unstoppable. Yet Rowan began noticing tiny details others ignored. Several mornings she paused near the elevators, gripping the wall for balance. During meetings she occasionally rubbed her temples as though fighting intense pain. Once, while everyone applauded after a major presentation, Rowan quietly watched her hands tremble before she quickly hid them behind a folder. Weeks passed, and the strange moments became more frequent. One afternoon Rowan was polishing the marble floor outside the executive lounge when Seraphina suddenly collapsed without warning. Her assistants rushed toward her in panic. Within seconds company doctors arrived, checked her pulse, and after several anxious minutes she slowly regained consciousness. They blamed exhaustion, stress, and dehydration. She insisted she was fine and returned to work the following morning as though nothing had happened. But Rowan knew something was terribly wrong. His late wife had suffered mysterious fainting episodes before doctors finally discovered an uncommon medical condition. The memories haunted him. He recognized the same pale complexion, the same subtle confusion after waking, and the same frightening weakness that no amount of rest seemed to fix. He wanted to speak, yet feared no one would listen to a cleaning worker with no medical degree. The collapses continued. Every incident became easier for the executives to explain away. More meetings were cancelled. More expensive specialists visited. Countless tests returned with no clear answers. The board quietly worried that the company's future depended on a leader whose health appeared to be failing. Behind closed doors, rumors spread that Seraphina might soon resign. She ignored every whisper and continued forcing herself to work even harder, refusing to show weakness. One rainy morning Rowan entered the executive office before sunrise. As he emptied the trash, he noticed dozens of unopened meal delivery containers piled beside the desk. Most contained untouched food. Instead, several bottles of an expensive energy supplement stood neatly arranged beside countless cups of coffee. Looking closer, Rowan remembered the herbal ingredient printed on one bottle. His wife had once been warned never to consume it because it could dangerously interfere with a rare vitamin absorption disorder. The memory struck him so powerfully that his hands froze. Rowan spent the rest of the morning debating whether to remain silent. Speaking could cost him his job. Yet remaining silent might cost someone her life. Gathering every ounce of courage, he politely requested a brief meeting with the company's medical supervisor. At first the request was dismissed. After all, why would anyone seek medical advice from a janitor? But Rowan calmly explained what he had witnessed over several weeks and shared his late wife's medical history. His sincerity was impossible to ignore. Reluctantly, the doctors reviewed his observations. They ordered one additional specialized test that none had previously considered necessary. The results stunned everyone. Seraphina suffered from an extremely uncommon nutritional disorder that had been made dramatically worse by the very supplements she believed were helping her stay energized. Her body had slowly reached a dangerous point where every collapse brought her closer to permanent organ damage. Immediate treatment began that very day. Within weeks her strength slowly returned. The headaches faded. The dizziness disappeared. For the first time in months she completed an entire week without collapsing. The specialists admitted that if Rowan had remained silent much longer, the outcome could have been devastating. Seraphina insisted on meeting the quiet cleaning worker personally. She listened as Rowan spoke not about himself but about his wife, whose suffering had taught him to notice symptoms others overlooked. He explained that losing her left him with one promise: to never ignore warning signs when another family might still have hope. As tears quietly filled Seraphina's eyes, she realized that while countless powerful people surrounded her every day, compassion had come from the person everyone overlooked. News of Rowan's courage spread throughout the company. Employees who had barely acknowledged him now greeted him with genuine respect. But Rowan remained exactly the same man. Every evening he still hurried home carrying groceries for Hazel, helping with homework, and reading bedtime stories before preparing for another early morning shift. Seraphina could never forget what Rowan had done. Instead of offering only money, she carefully learned about his life. She discovered that Hazel dreamed of becoming a veterinarian but often skipped school activities because her father could not afford the extra costs. Quietly, Seraphina created a scholarship covering Hazel's entire education through college. She also established a company program ensuring every maintenance worker received healthcare benefits, educational opportunities, and fair career advancement. Rowan was promoted to oversee workplace safety and employee wellness initiatives, proving that wisdom can come from every level of an organization. Months later, the company gathered in the bright daytime courtyard for its annual appreciation celebration. Standing before hundreds of employees, Seraphina admitted that success had once made her believe strength meant never slowing down or asking for help. Rowan's kindness had taught her that real strength begins with humility and gratitude. The applause that followed was not for a billionaire executive or an inspiring speech. It was for a father whose quiet courage reminded everyone that dignity is never measured by a job title. If this story has touched your heart so far, please like this video, leave a heartfelt comment, share it with someone who believes kindness still exists, and subscribe to Kindness Paradise so more people can discover stories that inspire hope and compassion. Special request: comment below with the words "Kindness changes lives" if you believe one caring person can make all the difference. As Rowan walked home that evening beneath the clear afternoon sky, holding Hazel's small hand, he realized that life rarely rewards those who seek recognition. Instead, it quietly honors those who choose compassion when no one is watching. Sometimes the greatest miracle is not becoming wealthy or famous. Sometimes it is simply having the courage to care enough to save another human being, proving that even the smallest act of kindness can echo through countless lives forever.